In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 easy unknown job search strategies you can start using today. And later in the video, I'll share with you an email template you can screenshot so you can immediately start using it. Hi, my name is Claudia Miller, and I'm a sought-after career coach, and this channel is all about helping you get the job you want while increasing your salary even up to $100,000. Let's get started. What you want to do first is update your resume and your LinkedIn profile by leveraging keywords. So how do you do that? You can use a system called JobScan, and that's what I recommend all my clients. And JobScan just mimics an ATS system. And ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. And what it does is it scans your resume and your job posting. And what it does is it looks for keywords to match the job posting. You have enough keywords, the higher score you rank, the higher score you rank, the higher likelihood it is for you to get an interview. Now, how that works is you paste your resume, you paste the job posting that you want to apply to, and then it'll just scan both and tell you what keywords you're missing, keywords the system predicts the employer will be looking for, and if you're just using generic cliche words. So once you have the information, add or swap words with the sought after keywords. So for example, in your resume, you mentioned clients, but the job posting uses the word customers. You then want to swap out clients with customers. Then use the keyword list and go back to your LinkedIn profile and add them under your skills section. Do this enough times, and what you're doing is optimizing your resume and LinkedIn profile for the job you want, not the job you currently have. Now, don't forget to stay till the end because tip number 3 will have you generating interviews within days. But before that, tip number 2, craft your elevator pitch. I know people are tired of hearing this, but I'm going to share with you a quick, easy framework that I share with my clients, and it will help you answer this so quickly. So the elevator pitch is important because it keeps the person interested in you and tells them why you're better than the competition. So instead of saying, I graduated with my master's in data science and I worked at company A, and then I moved on to company B, and then I moved to company C. Instead, what you want to do is give them a quick snapshot of who you are. So here's a framework. You want to put in the branding positioning. So if you're a data scientist and applying for a data scientist role, that's your brand. If you're starting out, you could say professional. If you've been in the industry for quite some time or have had a manager role already, you can call yourself a leader. And then type in the years of experience with a background and the top 3 skills you know they're looking for. Then you can use the annual revenue of that specific company to kind of grab their attention. So here's what that looks like. I'm a senior data scientist leader with a background in machine learning, predictive analytics, and deep learning for various industries, including healthcare, manufacturing, and retail, with companies with up to $50 million in annual revenue. Gives them a quick snapshot of who you are. You're mentioning the top 3 skills they're looking for. And if you don't know those top 3 skills, just refer back to JobScan and it'll tell you the top 3 keywords this job posting has all over. And then you have an attention grabber, which is that big number that I mentioned, the $50 million. So how can you find that number? It's so easy. You just Google and search the company name or clients that you've worked with that are really big and just look and search their annual revenue. So for example, if you work at Microsoft, then you can type in Microsoft's annual revenue and it'll spit out the number. So tip number 3, use LinkedIn to find job opportunities and hiring managers within minutes. I've had clients use this strategy and it can generate 3 interviews in 3 days. You heard that right. So how can you get started? You can go on LinkedIn and in the search bar, type in hiring for job title. You have to use the quotations. What this tells the system is they must only use search words inside the quotations. So you'll then want to select post, click on sort by and select latest, read through the post and look for posts that says they're hiring and to contact them for more details. And here's a message you can send them. If you'd like to support the channel, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video where I talk about 3 easy steps to help you answer what is your greatest weakness question with a sample answer and framework you can easily use.